Go.
$50 per person per day.
So this is their hallway. When you come in from the receptionist, you make a left. You walk all the way down to the elevator. This is a long way down to the hallway. This is 214, 211. Ours is room 210. I'll give the first impression. This is 209. Next one is 210. Okay. As soon as we enter, of course it's dark. What happened here? Lights are on. This is the bathroom. All right, let's see. So toilet paper. We got some napkin for working. Small bin. 2 towels. 3 cups. Area has some hand wash, body lotion, blow dryer. Oh, this is nice. It's glass. Usually they don't make glass. Pretty cool. Look at the shower head. They put the towel here. And guys, check this out. This is pretty cool. You can actually heat your towel here. Look, this is heat and this is cold. And you turn it on. This is really nice. It heats up. Something to hang your clothes in the back there. You walk out and this is your space here. It's a pretty bed. A big closet right there. Some pretty artwork. A small refrigerator. This. Let's see, we could turn this lamp on. Maybe from the bottom. Most of the times when you come to these places, it's very difficult to turn the lights on. But let's see. Maybe. Here we go. Let there be light. No lights. Guess it's not working. Nope. But there's a TV here, which is pretty cool. Small bed. This is how you sleep 3. But this is actually better than the rest places we're at. There's single double bed everywhere. Let's see. Oh, it's a pretty view. It's a roundabout. And this is pretty cool. It's nighttime. Merry Christmas. See, there's the light here, the phone. Switch by the bed head. Beautiful artwork. 2 lights. 1, 2. 1 there. Little closet. And that's it. There you go. That's my espresso I'm having in Spain, right there. Gracias. Thank you.
This is not good.
At night?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna get a picture for me because I have like
Is
all
that
gas station.
with the girl?
Yeah.
I put it already, but
That's
Label
the girl.
Sub-Zero and a couple gallons of water.
Then that.